Mastering knife skills, a key to culinary success. Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore an essential skill in cooking, knife skills. Understanding and mastering knife skills can make a huge difference in your cooking journey. So, let's dive in and learn about what knife skills are and how to develop them. Knife skills refer to the ability to handle and use kitchen knives efficiently, safely, and effectively. This includes knowing different cutting techniques like chopping, slicing, dicing, and mincing. It's not just about cutting food, but also about doing it in a way that ensures uniformity, which is crucial for cooking food evenly and for presentation. In this section, we'll explore various types of knife cuts. Chopping, rough cutting without much concern for the size of the pieces. Slicing, cutting food into thin, flat pieces. Dicing, cutting food into small, square pieces. Julienne, cutting food into thin, matchstick-like strips. Mincing, finely chopping food into tiny pieces. Choosing the right knife is crucial. The most commonly used knives in the kitchen are chef's knife, versatile for most cutting tasks. Paring knife, for smaller, more intricate work. Bread knife, serrated edge for cutting bread. Utility knife, for general, everyday use. Maintaining your knives is just as important as using them. Always keep your knives sharp, as dull knives are more dangerous. Store them properly, either in a knife block or on a magnetic strip. And most importantly, learn safe handling techniques to prevent accidents. I hope this video has been informative and helpful in understanding the importance of knife skills in the kitchen. Remember, practice is key, so don't be afraid to keep trying and improving. Happy cooking, and see you in the next video.